If you also repeat the same mistake again and again, your graph will somewhat look like this. And if you rectify the mistake, then your graph will going to look like this. Number one mistake, quick money making mind. Why? Don't fall in this step. Understand the quick money you make, that much fast you will become poor. Seriously speaking, Warren Buffett started his investing journey when he was 11 and now he is 93. Can you look at the time horizon? How much time did it took? Have a look this chart. When Warren Buffett was 14, he made $5,000. When he turned 30, he made his first $1 million. And when he turned 92, $109 billion. When you look closely, Warren Buffett made his $100 billion in last almost 37 years. And you want to make millions of dollars in one day. Are you crazy? Number two mistake, investing money that you can't afford to lose. If you're doing an investment, there is a high probability that either your money will grow or decline. I am not saying to stop investing. Investing is good. Everyone should invest, but investing money that you can't afford to lose, you can't do this. So I highly recommend you to invest that much money only which you can afford to lose it by chance something bad happens. So it won't affect your livelihood. Number three mistake, FOMO. Well, as earlier said, everyone should invest money and investing is very important. Understand, doing investing is one thing and doing investing because the whole world is saying no, you can't. This is what basically we call FOMO, fear of missing out something. You need to know your goals, your investment method, your risk taking capacity before entering the world of stock market. Number four mistake, waiting for perfect time. How many times you heard to wait for perfect time before investing or selling your stocks? Tell me one thing, are you any superhuman who knows that what is going to happen next in the stock market? No, na. The only thing that one can make sure to do is act little bit smart by using common sense. Understand you cannot wait for perfect time. Number five mistake, emotional investing. Do you also invest money in stocks when you got much more money suddenly, thinking to grow 100 times or 200 times, or if something happens wrong in stocks, you get panic or you invest money to take revenge from stock market? No dear, you can't. The only thing you will get after doing all this is regret, regret and regret. Number six mistake, ignoring the inflation rate. Now you will say inflation? How inflation came in between? Hold on. Listen, you need to make sure you know the inflation rate in your country so that you can achieve your financial goal in a right way. If in your respective country inflation rate is a 6% and you invest in some instrument where you get 4%, do you think it is growing or losing its value? I know you are a smart audience. You understand what I'm saying. So understanding inflation rate in your country will directly help you to decide which investment option is right for you. Number seven mistake, investing in penny stocks. How many money you had accumulated by investing in penny stocks till date? Instead of investing money in 100 penny stock in grade, it's better to invest in one good company. It will only help you to grow your wealth and also it will help you to save your tons of time. Number eight mistake, not doing asset allocation. I know you are a tech lover and you invested all your money in tech company. What if something goes wrong? You will lose everything. So it's better to play smart rather than playing game like you are the only person playing. Warren Buffett also says don't put all your eggs in one basket. Number nine, not understanding the power of compounding. I'm sure 99% of you don't understand the game of power of compounding. That's why you don't have passion. If you want to know power of compounding, watch this video.